Pocket birthday pack. Time to open. Okay. Whoa! Totally pieces. Okay, now I got this cute little. It actually opens. That's so cool. Let's see if we can actually put the cake in. First, it's hard to open the oven. Let's see if we can actually put the cake. Oh my god, it actually bakes. It works. Let's get out the tablet. I love it. But first, let's get off these gooey dresses I keep pulling out. Okay, let's get off. Oh, I love the little baby. Okay, let me show you what's my favorite. The dolls. I really like these balloons because of the same. I love the oven and the stove. I can't believe this really opens. And I love that there's a little table. And I love this little snow cone and the little pan. It's so cute. And guess what? I really love the little tablet, the birthday hats, this little mini camera. I love this one. And I love the coffee. I like these. I guess these pretty dresses. And this one because I have a balloons. It's a Polly Pocket baking show. Let's open the oven up. Now let's put the cupcake in. She's gonna have a taste test. Delish. Don't talk to me until I have my morning coffee. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lila. Happy birthday to you. Thanks for watching. I'm here for the cake, guys. It's a selfie for the gram.